Good afternoon, dear students. Today our next topic is semi-technical description of a typical flowering plant. So when we are given with the flowering plant, so what we have to do to describe that flowering plant, first of all we will describe the habitat of that flowering plant. We will write the nature of the flowering plant, like whether it is herb, shrub, वो हम उसमें डिस्क्राइब करेंगे उसकी हैबिटेट में. इज़ दैट क्लाइंबर, इज़ दैट क्रीपर. And next one is the vegetative characters. After that we will describe the vegetative characters of that plant, like root, stem and leaves. We have studied the morphology of these three in detail, so we will describe these three parts. And after that we will move to the floral characters. After the vegetative characters we will move to the floral characters, and in floral characters we will write the inflorescence and the other floral parts of that flower. And after the completion of this description we will move to the next description of that flower. We will draw the floral diagram of that flower, and after that we will write that floral formula. Clear? And sometimes you are given with the floral formula, you have to draw the floral diagram. So we will study the two families for the floral formula. Yeah, for the floral formula we are given some symbols, so we will study them one by one. Like symbol BR represent the bracteate. When bracket is present in a flower, then we call the flower as bracteate flower, so that we write BR. After that, for calyx K, for writing the symbol of calyx we write K. C for corolla. Calyx, the various components of calyx are sepals and of the corolla are petals. And we will write P for the perianth. Perianth is when there is no distinction between calyx and corolla, when there is no description between sepals and petals, we write the term perianth. And the constituents of the perianth are tepals. A for androecium. In androecium we will write the number of stamens, the nature of these stamens. And next is G, that is for gynoecium. G stands for gynoecium. And bar below the gynoecium, below the G, is for superior ovary. जो nature of ovary है, if that is superior, then we draw a bar symbol below the G, and if the ovary is inferior, then we draw this bar sign on the above side of this symbol. That is for inferior ovary. That is for inferior ovary. And this sign indicates male plant and male flower, and this is for female plant or female flower. And this symbol represent the bisexual plant, having both type of stamens and pistil, both reproductive parts. That symbol is for the bisexual plant. After that, for the symmetry, जो according to symmetry flowers हैं, we write plus sign in the circle for the actinomorphic flower. Actinomorphic flower. And percentage sign for zygomorphic flower. Zygomorphic flower. So these actinomorphic flower are flower having radial symmetry, and zygomorphic flower are those having the bilateral symmetry. And then next symbol, if two floral whorls are fused with one another, what will we do? We represent it by enclosing figure within bracket. When two whorls are fused, और वेन द मेंबर्स ऑफ अ वर्ल आर फ्यूज, जैसे सेपल्स फ्यूज्ड हैं या पेटल्स फ्यूज्ड हैं, तो उसके लिए हम क्या लिखेंगे, उसको विद इन ब्रैकेट लिखेंगे। और एडिशन के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, व्हेन टू पार्ट्स आर, जैसे एंड्रोशियम और पेटल्स फ्यूज्ड हैं एट सम पॉइंट, तो उसको एडिशन के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, विल ड्रॉ लाइन, लाइन ड्रॉन above the symbols of the floral parts. And the last one is the mother axis. How we represent the mother axis? Simply by writing a dot on the top of the floral diagram, on the top of the floral diagram. Clear? So these are the various symbols which we used while drawing a floral diagram. So what is a floral diagram? So floral diagram provides us information about the number of floral parts and their arrangements and their relation with one another. जैसे हमने ये सारे लिखे, तो जैसे हम वहाँ पे कॉलेक्स लिख रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पे हमें पता चलेगा उसके उसके अंदर, उस फ्लावर के अंदर कितने नंबर ऑफ सेपल्स हैं या उसमें कितने नंबर ऑफ पेटल्स हैं। क्लियर? सो जो फ्लोरल डायग्राम है वो उसके बारे में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन देता है और अरेंजमेंट का बताता है